If you're in need of garage door installation or repair, you've come to the right place. We're reliable, professional, and affordable top local garage door service provider. If you need a brand new garage door installed professionally, we can help. We are specially in a wide range of garage door services including garage door installation, replacement, garage door repair, garage door opener repair. Our service areas are Burbank, Los Angeles County, Pacific Palisades, Thousand Oaks, Santa Clarita County. So contact us today to set up an appointment.